Hi, I'm Robert.
And I'm Chris.
And this is a horizontal bandsaw. The horizontal bandsaw is used to cut large pieces of stock down to a more manageable size. The green button starts the machine, the red button stops the machine. When the hydraulic valve is closed, the bow is supported by a hydraulic cylinder. When the valve is open, the bow gradually descends. The handle on the side of the saw opens and closes the vise. And now, Chris is going to demonstrate operation of the saw. Close the valve, then lift the bow. Insert the stock into the machine. Support longer pieces of stock with a stand. Lower the blade close to the stock. Do not allow the blade to touch the stock. Measure and adjust the stock. The stock should be cut at least 1/4 inch longer than necessary to allow for finish machining on the mill. Tighten the vise, then remeasure. Turn on the saw. Verify that coolant is flowing and that it is directed onto the blade. Open the valve to cut the stock. The saw will automatically stop when it is done cutting. When finished, clean and return the stock. Wipe down the machine as well. After cutting, deburr the part on the belt sander. Press the green button to turn the belt sander on. Remove all burrs from the part. Press